Hello everyone! Today I'd like to show how to say fruit and vegetable names in Korea. Let's get started.
사과 사과
사과,
배
pear. Well, when you're in Korea, you can find pear shape is a little different. Yeah, this is common pear when you can find in Korea.
포도 포도
포도,
딸기 딸기
딸기,
바나나 바나나
바나나,
귤
귤,
수박
수박,
파인애플
파인애플,
오이
오이,
옥수수
옥수수, 토마토,
감자
감자,
마늘
마늘,
양파
양파,
당근
당근,
고구마
고구마.
Here's a short quiz for you. Can you say this in Korean? Yes, 수박 is correct. Very good. Next question. Very nice. 양파 is correct. Excellent. Now you can see the Korean letter on the screen. Please guess its meaning. Yes, right. It means pear. Then the final question. Yes, it means tomato. Excellent.
What's your favorite fruits and vegetables? Well, I like apples and eat apples every morning. 저는 사과를 좋아해요. 매일 아침 사과를 먹어요. Enjoy your favorite fruits and vegetables and get healthy. Please keep practicing and give this video a thumbs up if you like, and be sure to subscribe because I'd like to see you in my next video. Alright, that's all for now. Until next time. Ciao!